Oh, mother fricker. A huge winter storm is hitting Texas, and I gotta survive the night in this shed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it, but wish me luck. Oh God, bless my hands. Big John, help! Big John! First things first, I gotta clean this place out. It ain't looking too good. All right, now we gotta get the sleeping situation figured out. This is where I'm gonna be sleeping. I gotta make something to lay in, to roll up in. A massive sleeping bag is what I need. So this is my wool sleeping bag I used in the summer. Now it is not thick enough for the winter. I'm gonna freeze in this. It's only 2 layers. Now the good thing about wool is you can layer more on top of it, so we can make it even thicker. Anyways, my plan with this sleeping bag is to take all those wool blankets lining the walls and make a giant wool sleeping bag that I can survive 20-degree weather in, colder. It's gonna get like 20 degrees. I have a few just single off wool blankets I'm gonna try to use. I think I need like 5 for a good sleeping bag. I'm gonna grab these 2. We got a few wool blankets. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot how to do this, but we're just gonna have to figure it out. I'm gonna go ahead and spread them out and see what I can do. So sometimes you can get away with rolling a sleeping blanket like this diagonally, but if you're a little bit taller, it's kind of hard to fully cover your body and hide under the wool. So what I'm doing is I'm layering the wool blankets, kind of interlapping them, and then when I have it the way I like it, I'm gonna fold them over and I'm gonna use clothing pins to hold them all together. Should work out nice. Okay, we got another wool blanket. I kind of forgot my calculations how many I should layer for like 10-20 degrees, but I think I have enough. Now just for a quick reference, this is my summertime sleeping bag. I could have gone down to like 1 layer. 1 layer would be fine for the summer. This one had 2. I'm gonna go ahead and take it down. I'm gonna try to memorize how I did this. I'm gonna do it on film. Anyways, as you can see, I made this one diagonally. So this is the very end and it kind of goes down here. And as you can see, these huge clothing pins, they pin up the bottom and make a sleeping bag. And of course, this is where I can go in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart. As you can see, I kind of layered them over and then I put these pins in. So I take this out right here. That is one. Then I take another out, which is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the bottom pin out. So that is another clothing pin. And then this final one right here, I'm gonna take it out. And we can actually make a huge sleeping bag now. So I use 4 of these. I'm gonna put these to the side and go ahead and make the bag. Seems we have a 5th pin lying in here, so I'm gonna take that out too. Right here. Oh, seems we have another pin right here. Huh. And now we can get to work. Okay, I think we got it. We're gonna go ahead and start with the clothing pins. As you can see, these are huge, pretty big, and they're great for the wool blankets, and I got a ton of them. All right, this is gonna be able to hold it kind of in the middle and keep it from separating, so that's good. I'm gonna be doing this kind of like a burrito. So basically, I'm gonna try to wrap this over my feet. Just back a little bit more. And the hard part is getting through all these layers of wool with these clothing pins. It gets pretty difficult doing that. Just like that, I got a thick wool sleeping bag I can survive 10-20 degree weather in. Right, I got my cot. Move all these tools to the side. thing is huge. Yeah. All right, baby. Well, that's good. Now we got our sleeping arrangement. I still haven't moved in yet, forgot food or any of that stuff. That's something we need to do. All right, we need some lighting in here. I'm gonna go ahead and start firing up old lanterns and whatnot, candles. Let's get something going. So, I got a little bit of kerosene actually, so it's perfect. It's always nice to have leftover kerosene. Oh, I got kerosene all over that lantern. I'm gonna let it dry out a little bit. We also have my heater right here, my sad iron heater. We could fire this up too. This is how I'm gonna cook out here. Set it right here, just like that, and go ahead and ignite it. There we go. Just like that. Let's go ahead and put that lantern up, see if we can get some light from that as well. We like candles as well. All right, now we got the lantern. Come on, baby. Now we got our lantern going, sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and move this cot out of the way. We really don't need it right now. Okay, so my dog decided to join me. Hopefully he's not gonna try to escape. But we cleaned out a lot more. It's already getting a lot darker, so I'm gonna add this light for help with the camera visuals. I got a seat right here. You sit right here and cook. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look at our supplies, see what we're working with. Got my notes, baking soda, got our matches. We got some salt, which is good. Got beans. We got a lot of various cans of food. We got spinach, we got chili, Campbell cream soup. Maybe we can make something good with that. We got some mushrooms, marinated mushrooms. Another can of beans, ranch style beans. Chef Boy RD. Oh, jalapeno pepper ranch style beans. This is probably good. We might have to make this. We got some dark beans and ooh. All right, obviously it's pretty dark in here. I'm about to have to close up these windows when the storm starts to hit. I'm gonna go ahead and light some candles as well. I got this big old candle right here. Should produce a lot of light. Oh yeah, baby. It's like a mosquito candle. I'm gonna try to seal up the outside a little bit more to prepare for the storm. We're gonna go ahead and cook some stuff. Getting pretty hungry, so I'm gonna make something. All right. So we kind of got this old beef tallow. I'm gonna throw a little bit in here, see what happens. Be nice to have some butter or something. Now we got some of these Napoleon marinated mushrooms. I have no idea how to eat these. I might try one raw, should I? But I'm thinking these and some Vienna sausage, you know. Smells good, I guess. Let's see here. I'm gonna cut these up like this. Now for some smoked, or I guess this isn't smoked, it's hot and spicy. We'll see if that's good. is pretty much cooked. The gabagool. We're gonna go ahead and try some of this, see how good it is. Hopefully I can see that. A little bit of mushroom. I can taste the spice in that Vienna. Really not too bad for a quick snack. Alright, so I cooked up another batch of the mushrooms and the Vienna sausage. This time I'm gonna go ahead and add some Popeye spinach. Now this doesn't have a pull tab on it, and I didn't bring a can opener down. But feeling around in my pocket, I found the very portable P38 can opener. This is a really neat can opener. Alright, so we got it in. Now I'm gonna start levering it down. And just like that, I used the P38 can opener. Beautiful. To open up this Popeye's can of spinach. We're gonna add a little bit to the mix. Add some salt. Right, time to try some of this sludge. We'll see how it tastes though. I mean, it's definitely better without the spinach, but spinach makes you strong. Yeah, spinach just overpowers the sausage and whatnot. I'll just eat all the spinach first. Oh, you good dough. It's a good dough. Shaky board. Alright. All clean, baby. It's pretty gradual. It's not a lot. It's kind of snowing and then sleeting and then snowing, sleeting. So far there hasn't been anything too major. Something I'd think that would cause this roof to cave in because it's not the most secure roof. It's not even nailed in. The only thing holding it down are some logs. My parents were concerned for me coming out here, but well, a recap of so far, we made a wool sleeping bag, we made some food, cleaned out the cabin. Everything's going good so far. There hasn't been any crazy storms. I could hear the snow, the sleet pick up, but nothing too crazy. About to go to bed after this cigar. I'm just gonna enjoy it for now, and then tomorrow we're gonna wake up and see if we make it through. Hopefully we wake up and the roof doesn't cave in on me. That'd be bad. So my parents made some stew. I brought some down at my Aladdin Journey jug. It was hot when I got it. I think the vacuum seal is done on this thing. Have some of this for breakfast because I already got some. But as you see, nice warm stew in here. We're gonna have some for breakfast. And over there. It is snowing a lot. Look at this icicle. Holy smokes. That is huge. But you have a good night, Big John. You hear me? You have a good night, boy. There's the old cabin. Doing good, cabin? Son of a gun, it's cold. It's cold out here. Whew. Big John, help me, Big John, I need your help. It's cold. Oh, it's getting really chilly. It feels like 15 degrees according to the news. Hey, this ain't good for Texas. This ain't good at all. Let's see if I can survive that. Oh, we gotta get in there, man. Oh, come on, baby. Let's get in there. Whew. Oh. Okay, we are keeping that locked for tonight. Whoa. Oh. All right, ready to get to bed. I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm gonna do this. Oh, my hands are cold. Whew. Oh, mine's cold right now. Whoa. Oh, walking around out there was killing me. At least my hands really bad. Oh. This is how I'm gonna do it. Try not to break my cot. Oh, look. Ah. Oh, all the way. Is there any hole? Sleepy time. I go like this. And then I get the tube. I breathe like this. Oh, that's so comfortable. I'm ready to go to bed. That is so warm. And I just breathe out of this. And I just got a lot of layers on. I feel so cozy. I'm ready to go to bed right now. Oh, cozy. Feels like 13 degrees, 25 degrees. Oh, I'll see you all in the morning. See ya. Good morning. Whew. It is cold. Oh, it's fucking cold. Oh, so cold. Whew. Wow. Look at that. Big John. Stuck. Well, we managed to survive the snowstorm. As you can tell, it snowed quite a bit all throughout the night, and it's still snowing. It got down to like 10, 13 degrees last night. Now, my experience was trying to go to sleep. My nose was very stuffed up, so I just had to breathe out of my mouth, but kind of stayed warm. I could have been warmer. Maybe another layer would have been better. But I got through the night. I'd wake up occasionally just a little bit cold and I'd be really curled up in there. But I was pretty much all sealed off. I stayed warm. I lived throughout the night, so it worked out. Either there's two things. I could get more used to the cold and that'd probably allow me to sleep there better, because I've done this before for like a week on end, and continually sleeping in the sleeping bag like that, I just kind of got numbed out to the cold, so I could sleep throughout the entire night just fine. And very tired too, so I'm just gonna enjoy the snow a little bit. Tomorrow, probably work in the cabin, get some snow shots of it. I think that'd be cool. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. See y'all. Just hold this on me.
Is it playing?
Yeah. There we go.